It is night. Robert is at home.
I like my book. Reading is fun. What is that sound?
Robert opens the door slowly.
I feel a little scared.
No, there is a thief.
A thief. I must tell Mom and Dad. Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! There is a thief!
A thief? Where?
Oh no! Robert, stay back! I saw him downstairs.
Honey, what's that noise?
Do not worry. I will check.
Be careful, Dad. Please be safe.
They walk quietly. Stop! Stop right there! The thief is afraid. I must run! Not so fast! The thief drops the bag. The thief runs away. He is gone.
What happened?
I found this bag outside.
This is the thief's bag.
I will call the police.
Robert waits.
Please come quickly.
The police arrive. Hello, we are the police. The thief ran away.
Oh no!
Which way did he go? Out the back! This bag has your things. Good job, Robert. You are very brave.
Thank you.
Robert goes to his room. The house is safe.
Good morning!